Political parties and their need. What is a political party? A political party is a group of people who aim to control the government and carry out their general policies. They agree on some policies and programs for the society. They form the public opinion by talking about their policies. They convince people that their policies are better than their policies. They aim to win the support of the people in the elections and form the government. They work for the collective interest of the society and not for a particular section of the society. What are the chief characteristics of a political party? A political party is a group of people who aim to control the government and carry out their general policies. A political party is the most important organization through which public opinion gets formed and made effective for the government formation. It has the following characteristics. 1. A certain organization. Every party has a certain structure. The group of people is organized in a proper way. Every member is aware of his role and responsibilities in the party. 2. Unity of purpose. All the members agree on some policies and programs for the society. The party has its own vision and ideology. Every member works in accordance with the goals and objectives of the party. 3. Commitment to adhere to constitutional means. All the political parties agree that the competition at the time of elections should be free and fair. They will contest the elections and agree to the results of the voting system. 4. Adhere to its policies when voted to power. All the parties have the characteristic that they will adhere to the declared policies when voted to power. They cannot implement completely different policies after coming to power. Functions of political parties in a democracy, or part played by political parties in a democracy. A political party is a group of people who aim to attain power in the government through the elections. They have their own ideology and vision for the society. They formulate various policies and programs for the society. They work for the collective public interest. Political parties perform various functions. Contest elections. Political parties contest elections to win the majority and form the government. They choose their candidates who fight for the party in the elections. Those candidates are chosen who can either raise a lot of money or are sure to win the elections. Popular personalities are also chosen to represent the political party. The candidates are chosen either by all the members of the party or only by the top leaders of the party. Policies and programs. The political parties talk about policies in the public. They try to convince the public that the policies of their party are better. They organize demonstrations, public meetings, and speeches to discuss the policies that they would take. They discuss the problems facing the country and the policies that they would adopt once elected. They try to gain support of the public through such measures. Lawmaking. Political parties play a very important role in making the laws for the country. Any proposed law is first called the bill. The bill is debated in the legislature, and if it gets the majority, it is considered to be passed. Such a bill then becomes a law for the country. Form and run the government. The political party that wins majority in the elections forms the government. Such a party is called the ruling party. It forms and then runs the government. It takes all the important decisions. Trained and experienced members are made the ministers who implement the policies of the government. Role of the oppositions. The political party that loses the elections forms the opposition party. It keeps a check on the ruling party. Opposition parties criticize the ruling government if it implements a policy that is not in favor of the masses. They also ensure that the ruling party does not misuse its power.
You have two arguments. Your argument and the HRD minister's argument, the finance minister's argument and the HRD minister's argument is, the first argument is, I have the power under list 3 entry 1, 2 and 11A.
Form the public opinion. Political parties discuss various issues facing the country, discuss their policies, and form the public opinion on it. The pressure groups associated with the parties inform the public about various matters. They launch movements for the problems of the country and mobilize mass support for various issues. access to government machinery, welfare schemes. The political parties form an important link between the public and the government. The leaders are answerable to the people for the policies followed by their party. It is easy for the public to approach the local leaders to raise their demands. The leaders cannot ignore their concerns as the public might not vote for them in the next elections.